Good morning, everyone. So I woke up this morning with the NOAA weather radio going off with all kind of alarms and warnings and everything else for tornadoes. And right now I'm under two different warnings and watches. And anyway, it's funny looking sky out there. It's kind of yellow, and we're gonna see if we can get up and look out the door a bit. This is what we're looking at this morning on January the 22nd. It's about 7:30 in the morning, and the clouds are rolling pretty well. And this a little drizzle standing here on the steps. It's not terribly bad. We had a really great shower yesterday, and I call it a shower. I don't know just how much. We'll walk back through the house and go out and look at the rain gauge, and I don't know. I can get my feet wet and walk around. I'm still in my night clothes, but ain't nothing big or anything. My old rain gauge here is, I have no idea how many years old, probably 10 or 12 years old. And so I turned it to the side and I can get a better reading. So that's an inch and 6/10. And I'm starting to get wet as it is starting to come down a little more right now. Not as much concern for me as I am for my tablet, so we're going to get our butts back in the house. And that's the way I'm starting this Sunday morning. Blessings all.